Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a poll on Facebook Live video on your PC. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, go to Live Producer on Facebook. This is where you can manage your live videos and engage with your audience in real time. From your Live Producer dashboard, navigate to the Interactivity tab and click on Polls. This is where you can create engaging polls to interact with your viewers. Create your poll by entering your question and providing at least 2 possible responses for your audience to choose from. Make sure to craft engaging and relevant questions to keep your viewers interested. If your poll requires a correct answer, you can use the tick box next to the options to designate the correct response. Once you have set up your poll, click on Go Live in the bottom left corner to start your Facebook Live video broadcast. During your live stream, click on the Polls tab and select the poll you would like to display to your audience. Click on Publish Poll to make your poll live and visible to your viewers. Your poll will now appear in the preview mode of your live video, allowing your audience to participate and engage with your content. By following these steps, you can easily create interactive polls on your Facebook Live videos and enhance audience engagement during your broadcasts. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more social media tips and tutorials.